Do you remember the last relationship or friendship that you just woke up one day, realized it was ugly and it was time to finish? Or maybe the last time whenever you look at your room and you're like, okay, I'm really messy, I gotta clean up the place, it's unbearable, unlivable. Becoming aware, whenever awareness hits you, the first thing that will come into your mind is, oh my God, I'm either broken or the situation is messy. So it's not a place where you're comfortable to be in. Awareness comes with this duality side, this pain or shadow side that is showing to you, bringing light to you, to whatever you couldn't see. But if you are collecting habits or patterns inside of something that you cannot really see about yourself, the blind spot, whenever you see it, it's not beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. It can be really ugly. It can be really uncomfortable to look at. So if you're feeling like you're broken and the place that you are at your life right now feels like you're stuck and you don't know exactly where to go, it's probably because you are aware. Pain is not a proof that you're broken, but just a sign that you're becoming more aware. That happened with me the first time I realized how messy I was, how I would pile up the dishes whenever I was cooking and making meals, and at the end of the day, I looked to my sink, it was a whole pile of mess, and I was just aware that it was time to take action. And seeing that red light blinking and asking you to take action, it's horrible because it usually comes whenever you're already tired. For example, I used to not pay attention to my health. I used to just ignore it day by day, not working out, eating as much sugar and ice cream as I could. Once when I got my exams and I noticed that I had a lot to improve, I was in a place that I didn't want to move or take action. I just wanted to feel that pain and be mad at myself first. And there was this one mindset that I changed that helped me to make peace with awareness. Making peace with taking action and understanding that action doesn't need to be huge, big, but it can be small and slow. If you look at taking action as improving your life, that will change it so much. And it can start with little things in your life. For example, if you have a problem with a friendship, that you know that it's been a while that you're pushing that situation and it's becoming unbearable, it's maybe time for you to take action, such as having a conversation with that person. The longer you drag to take action, the ugly will look whenever awareness hits you badly. So don't postpone it. It's crucial. And the first time you take action, whenever you're still building up your awareness, will look a little bit ugly. For example, if you're not paying attention that you need to work out, the first time that you go to the gym will not be the best workout that you actually will give because you're just learning into acting on your awareness. The same happens whenever you need to have that uncomfortable conversation with your partner that you know that it might start a fight. But since you are still building up your awareness and learning what is uncomfortable and what is comfortable to you, you need to practice sitting with the uncomfortable feeling while you are taking the action. Just remember, part of being stuck and not achieving that personal growth that you wish you could is definitely because you are too used to being comfortable and you're not willing to leave your comfortable seat to just try something out of your comfort zone, such as having hard conversation, such as being tidy or work on your bad habits or your shadow sides to improve your life. Being brave enough to sit with your own shadows and your bad habits and blind spots, it's something huge that will bring you a large amount of improvement. And the biggest wish I have for you is that you're able to take action next time you step into awareness. And don't look at awareness as a bad thing, but actually a sign that you're moving and you're growing. I really wish this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, drop down a comment below, and I wish I can see you in the next video.